Short stories, in English. The Boat and the Sword. Long, long ago, in the Chu state of ancient China, a man was crossing a river in his boat.
很久很久以前，在中国古代的楚国，一个人正乘船渡河。
He had crossed the river many times before. But this time, it was the flood season, and the river was raging.
他以前多次渡过这条河，但是这次是洪水季节，河水汹涌。
His boat tossed wildly. With a big sound, he fell into the river. His sword fell in the water too.
他的船剧烈地晃动着，随着一声巨响，他掉进了河里。他的剑也掉进了河里。
So that he would not lose his sword, he left a mark on the side of his boat, right over the place his sword had fallen into the water.
为了找回丢失的剑，他在船的侧面留下了一个标记，就在他的剑掉入水中的位置上方。
He hit hard enough to make a mark, but not hard enough to make a hole.
他打得足够用力，以便打出一个记号，但是不能用力过大，以免打出一个洞。
He managed to pull himself back aboard. His boat tossed and took its way along the river and ended up near his village.
他设法使自己回到船上。他的船在河里摇来摇去，终于到了他的村庄附近。
At least the storm brought me home, thought the man.
他想，至少暴风雨把我带回家了。
Feeling lucky indeed, he went in the water and looked for his sword directly under the mark on his boat.
确实很幸运，他走进水里，直接在船上标记的下方寻找丢失的剑。
Much to his surprise, his sword has disappeared. What's happening? Why can't I find my sword from the water just under the mark?
令他惊讶的是，他的剑不见了。发生了什么？为什么我不能从标记正下方的水中找到我的剑？
Things are changing all the time. The boat had moved, but the sword had not. Of course, he cannot find the sword.
事物是在一直变化的，船一直在移动，但是剑没有移动。当然，他不可能找到剑。